Favorite mo rin ba yung tutong sa paella? Sarap no? Another BF Homes find na naman tayo today. Meow guys, if isa sa comfort food ng family nyo ang Spanish food, you should try Cocina Estefania. Love the vibe ng place. Nasayaw pa nga kami sa music. Since first time namin dito, nagtry kami ng few bestsellers nila. Simulan natin sa Callos. Grabing lambot ng beef tripe or yung tuwalya and yung richness ng sauce. Alam mo, nanunuot na yung flavors ng dish. Not a Callos lover, but I know this is a really good hearty dish. My top favorite yung paella Valenciana. Yung version nila walang seafood. It's simple looking compared to other paellas na ang daming toppings, yet this is packed with flavors. Sticky but firm pa rin yung rice. May mild tangy flavors. Tapos ang sarap pa nung bite mo kapag may crunch pa ng tutong. Sobrang nagustuhan ko siya. Kare-kareng bagnet. Crowd pleaser to. Super crispy ng bagnet but tender pa rin yung pork meat. Yung sauce, masarap yung added toasted garlic flavor. Very creamy and flavorful na kahit na on its own. And